Hello guys, I'm again here with my second explanation of the video of DSA which we are continuing. So today I'm here to explain you that why and how do we traverse on an array. So basically traversing on array means that to catch a particular element by various methods. So we'll be going with a very basic thing that we all know that whenever it comes to traverse, we all use a for loop. For loop is a very basic loop which can be which is not only limited to our JavaScript only, but it is also limited to Python and C++ and other languages. Maybe the syntax is different, but for loop is famous in all the languages, most probably. Okay, so we will be talking about JavaScript only. So in JavaScript, when we want to traverse on an array, when we want to find a particular element from the array, we first jump onto indexing values. And we all know that index values always starts from 0 till the length of our array. And whenever we want to write the syntax of for loop, so it's very simple. We have to write for, and inside the parenthesis brackets or the round brackets, you have to declare that from where your array's element should start. Then you will declare let I is equals to 0. It means the zeroth indexed value, zeroth index. Okay. And then you write that from where till it has to go. Then you write it down that let it be length or let it be certain value, min and max. It totally depends on the question. So we'll be taking a length here, and after it we just write the incrementation like I plus plus, so that our loop should be not be stopping, but it should be going till the length. But remember one thing, whenever we write down the uh, middle value like I should be smaller than the length, then whenever we write just the smaller one, so it is going to run one lesser element than the whole array, because it is the by default feature of our for loop that whenever we write only smaller, then it runs always one number back to the whole length. Suppose there is an array from 1 to 9, okay, and you are writing that let I is equal to 0, so it will be starting from 0th index, that will be 1, until the length is 9, but it will only go till 8th. Okay, but if you want to track 9 also, you have to write if my I should be smaller than or equal to the length of the array, then definitely it will catch all the elements. So this is the one thing that you should remember always in your mind, and that's how you can traverse on array. So I hope it was explanatory. So let me share my screen and explain you a small explanation of my code so that it can help you more. So I have, wait, yeah. So this is the code. Let me just turn off my window. So this is the code. Here what we have done is we have taken an array with this data name 9, 23, 45, 67 and all till 11. Okay, it is not arranged in any order because we are just learning here how to traverse on array, because I have decided to go from very basic, and then we are writing down a function. I am writing down it in a pure JavaScript so that it is not only limited to DSA, but also meanwhile we can learn JavaScript syntax as well. So what I have done is I have taken an input. Okay, I have given the ID element, and after it I have given the button that get the element. Okay, and here I have applied the on click function. So whenever you write it down on click function, you have to write down the name of the function and invoke it here so that it works. If you will not invoke it here, definitely it is going to throw you the error. Okay, and then what you have to do is let's define the function. Inside this function, I have taken a value el, that el equal to document dot get element by id. As I told you that the element is the id of our input box, so it is catching the input, and I am writing it down that dot value because input I'm not catching. My idea is not to catch the value, not to catch the box, but to catch the value inside it. So that's why I have written in catch the element and inside that value, and catch the value inside that element. Okay, and then I'm writing down a condition that if el, because my el holds the value inside the input, if it is smaller than data dot length, and what is data dot length, this array, and type of parse int. Why I have written type of parse int? Because my array only contains number. There is no strings. There is no other form of data. So if the other user or anything is wanting to find out the string or anything, then definitely it should throw a error, because it should only be accepting numbers. So that's why if the it is limited to data and the type of it is an number, because in JavaScript integers are also always refers to as numbers, but in Python we refer it as integer. Okay, so if this condition satisfied, then definitely there will be a alert box which will be throwing you the element inside this array. If the user is passing any element which is not in this indexing, not in this whole length, then definitely it is going to show you the alert that please enter the correct value. So I hope this small code is well satisfied, I mean well explained to you. So let's now try it. So basically I have written as here by default, and I'm trying to get the element. So we are saying that please enter the correct value. It means the value whatever we have entered here does not satisfies the condition which we have applied to our code, because as is a string, it's not a number. And as I told you that our data contains only numbers, so that's why it's throwing me the error. Okay, but if I will pass here 4, remember one thing, I'm writing down here the indexing, like fourth index we have 8 number. Let's check. So we can see that 0 1 2 3 4, and we are having 8. So fourth index has the 8 number, hence we got 8 here. Okay, and if you will pass a index 42, then definitely it will show that please enter the correct value, because our length is only existence to here. Let's try it. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So till 9 it has got the length. So from 0 to 9, if you will find any index, if you will write any index, it will show you the number on that particular index. But if you will write down any index which is not present here, or more than the length of our whole array, definitely it is going to throw you the error. So that's how this code runs. That's how you can traverse our numbers here. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. So I'll be stopping here. Yeah. So till then, keep learning and be serious about your studies. I mean, not be serious, but be consistent and keep learning, and don't get demotivated at all, because everything starts from very basic until then it goes till the mountain. So till then, keep learning, keep growing, stay healthy. Bye bye and take care. See you tomorrow.